Hello, hello, hello. I am Dr. Marcella Wilson. Let me just flip it over. Oh, here we go. Hey, everybody, it's me. I'm Dr. Marcella Wilson. I am a computer science professor. I work with the media. I help the media, I go on TV shows and I talk on in magazines and how to help their audience understand the latest and greatest technology that's out. I've been in like Fox News, Redbook Magazine, on local news TV stations, and all that fun stuff. But what I also do is I am a computer science professor. I teach undergrad and graduate computer science and information science. But I also teach people how to use social media and blogs. I teach people how to use social media and blogging to build their business. That's what I do. So basically I work mostly from home, and I tell people how to work from home or work location independent. That's what I do. So today we're going to be talking about your Facebook page. So if you want to build a business, it is imperative that you have a Facebook page. Facebook is one of the #1 sites in the world. Everybody's on Facebook. You need to be on there too. So I'm actually going to flip the camera as I talk so you can see my Facebook page as I discuss through it and give your points. So I just want to say all this week, I'm going to be talking about Facebook. So this is a free training on your Facebook page. So today we're going to be actually talking about setting up your Facebook page. So if you see the little man in the corner, swipe right to follow and share this with your friends who might be interested in it, or swipe up if you have an Android device, or click on the man and follow me, because I'm always talking about Facebook. I know all about computers and the internet. So also tap on my forehead. Give me some hearts. Give me some love. Go ahead. I'm just going to get close so you can tap on my forehead. Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is flip the camera over so you can see the screen and see exactly what I'm talking about, because I've been teaching for a while and I like to show as well. I don't like to just tell, I like to show and tell. Okay, so today we're talking about Facebook page. The most important thing you need to do is get your page up quick. So I know you can have a Facebook profile and have a Facebook page. You need to have a Facebook page. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera. Now here is my Facebook page. If you look at the top, I'm going to get the URL, www.facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson. So if I just delete that info stuff and go to facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson, yeah, it comes up to my Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook business page where I talk about business, where I talk about my business. I talk about social media. That's me on Super Bowl Sunday. I talk about blogging, social media. I post news stories, all kind of things like that. So you have to have a Facebook page if you're starting a business. That's different from your profile. Here's my profile right here. Now I have the same cover photo advertising my business, but this is my Facebook profile, right? Here is where, it's more personal. I post pics of, my backyard or my kids or whatever, funny things. You can do that on your business page too. But here is where it's basically my friends and my family, and I'm trying to see what my friends or family are doing, and it's personal. Here's where all my personal stuff goes in, and that's what I want you to get out of this. Your Facebook profile is where you add your friends, and it's personal, but your Facebook page should only be related to your business. Okay? So everybody has a Facebook profile. If you don't, get one. So your Facebook profile is where you add your friends and things like that. Is personal. But your Facebook page is strictly business, and I want you to keep it that way. Everything you post on there should be business related. You can post business things too and stuff like that, but here's my Facebook page. You want to keep it, you want to stay on brand, stay on topic, and keep your Facebook page on brand, and talk 80 to 90% about business and your brand. I also want you to do something that's very important, like I showed you before, the URL, www.facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson. Okay, so when you first set up your Facebook page, that's not the URL I was given. You could actually change the URL, like I've done, to be the name of your business or your name, because we want to keep it on brand, right? So normally when you set up a page, they'll give you a URL. It's like facebook.com/pages/87976, all these numbers. We don't want that, because if you want to direct people to your Facebook page, you don't want to tell them, oh yeah, just go to facebook.com/pages/87693020703. No. You want to say, go to facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson, or facebook.com/Super Kids Parties. Okay? So let me show you how to edit your Facebook URL. What you're going to do is you go to the About. Right under your cover photo, you've got some tabs. Click the About tab, right? And this is page info, right? What you want to go down to Facebook web address, right? It's the fourth one down. So you go under under About. Page info will pop up. You want to go down to Facebook web address. Now mine is already changed. I've already changed mine to Dr. Marcella Wilson. If yours isn't the name of your business or your name, what you need to do is, if you just move your cursor, a pencil and edit sign will pop up, and boom. If you click on the link, the link to your URL will pop up. And you can actually click on this link right here. This says change web address. Right there. And if you have questions, you can pop that up to get a customized web address. That's what they call it. So if you click on Facebook web address, you click on change web address, and then I'm not going to do it because mine is already changed. Click on save changes. Boom. You're good to go. So it's very important that you have a URL address that reflects your, that is customized. Facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson. Otherwise, it's going to be Facebook.com/pages/87669, whatever. You don't want that. Okay, so let's just recap. So all this week I'm going to be going over Facebook, but today we talked about the importance of having a Facebook page separate from your Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook page right here, where all I do is stay on brand. Let me click over to the timeline. Where all I do is stay on brand and talk about my business and things like that. You want a Facebook page versus a Facebook profile where I talk about personal stuff and chit chat with my family and my friends about who had a baby and what you guys did last night. Okay. Also, it's important to have a customized URL, customized web address. Okay. So like I said, you want to have, mine is www.facebook.com/Dr. Marcella Wilson. And if you want, yours isn't customized, go to the About section. Scroll down, the fourth one down to Facebook web address. Click Edit. Click on Change Web Address. Once you make your change, save the changes. Okay? All right. So if you found, so that's what we're talking about today. Tomorrow in my Facebook training, we're going to talk about the cover photo. This cover photo is very important. We're talking about the specs of it, how big is it, how to create one, what you should put on it. So tomorrow we're going to be talking about the cover photo. It's helpful. Please share this with friends or anyone else who can get some value out of this. And also, if you want to learn more about my trainings, of course, go to marcellawilson.com and sign up for my email address, and I'll send you my training schedule, and my trainings are free. But I'm always on Periscope every day at 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. Okay? Does anybody have any questions? If you have any questions, go ahead right now and just type them in. So a lot of questions that I get asked is about Facebook ads. Lots of people want to do Facebook ads. And I will be covering Facebook ads in training. So if you sign up for my email, you'll be notified of the schedule, my training schedule, when I talk about Facebook ads. So that will be really good. Okay? All right. So make sure you hit the little guy, share this, follow me. All right? Same place, same bad time, same bad channel tomorrow. Okay? It's been great. Also, email me with any questions you have, because I'm about to sign off. Marcella@marcellawilson.com. I said tomorrow we're going to continue our free Facebook training. We're going to talk about the cover photos. All right? Have a great day. Bye.